So I'm starting a new segment on the channel about easy plant-based recipes. So plant-based eating is becoming more and more popular, and I think it's just because people are realizing that the amount of meat we've been consuming in our North American diet is probably not that healthy. I'm not saying don't eat meat. Go ahead, eat meat. I generally don't eat meat unless I harvest it myself because I just don't believe in the factory farming and that kind of thing. No one says you have to give up meat and go to a plant-based diet, but there's nothing wrong with adding more plant-based foods to your already existing diet. So for the first video in this segment, I'm gonna do a sandwich that I eat almost every day. So I'm gonna put a link to a playlist up here. Obviously right now, this is the first video. There won't be anything there, but if this is the future and you're watching it and you're looking for some easy plant-based ideas, go check it out. So I'm gonna be doing a black bean sandwich. And I have to admit, when I first started eating plant-based, the idea of black beans was kind of foreign to me and made me feel weird. It's sort of like that feeling people get when somebody in the room mentions they eat vegan. So you grab your favorite plant-based bread. I always go with gluten-free. Then I like to toast it a little bit. Add your favorite plant-based margarine, some mashed black beans. I always mash them so they don't roll off my sandwich. For me, adding mustard makes it taste like a chicken sandwich. You can always use a different sauce if you don't like mustard. Now you can add your toppings. I use microgreens because I grow them, but any produce will do. A little salt, a little pepper, now all you have to do is eat it and enjoy the moment. And that's it. And it's super versatile too. If you don't like the black beans, I used to just make that with tomatoes and some microgreens or lettuce, produce, and some vegan mayo. Easy. Don't like tomatoes? Don't put them on. So that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it useful, whether you're going all out into plant-based eating or maybe you're just trying to do one day a week or just add more plant-based stuff to your already existing meals. Let me know in the comments what you think of this idea for the segment, and if you have any plant-based recipes you want to share with me, by all means, I'd be happy to look at them, and maybe I'll even use them in my video. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, remember, take care of yourself.